Hello again, Dr. Alan McCord here at Kent East Chiropractic, and I have a special guest today. One of our phenomenal massage therapists, Brandi, is here, and she is consented to give us some time on video. I just love an opportunity for all of you to get the chance to meet Brandi. She is an incredible person. I don't want to take more time because I want her to tell you, and I want you to feel her heart about how she's truly dedicated to your health and well-being here at Kent East Chiropractic. And we are truly blessed, not only for this opportunity, but for when you come in to get care from such a great therapist, a true professional here. So I want to ask Brandi, just tell us a little bit about yourself here on the video here, so people get a chance to know you, and to maybe talk a little bit about the types of care that you provide here at Kent East.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm Brandi. I've been practicing for about 19 years, 18, technically 19 if you count school. A lot of people ask me, actually I get this question regularly from my clients, what got you into massage? And it's kind of funny because they all seem to ask me about 10 minutes into it. So I'm thinking, okay, this is either a really great massage or they're just looking to chit chat. So they want to know where it comes from. So I'll tell you, like I've told all my clients, what got me into massage was I used to do nails a long time ago. And when I was doing the pedicure part, when I was massaging the feet and the legs, my client got a really awesome, relaxed, goofy expression on her face. And I thought, oh, I want to do that to you all over because you look like you enjoyed that and it looked like it felt good. Wow. So I jumped into massage and looked at it. And when I found out I could treat people medically, I never looked back. Wow. So I really enjoy treatment massage. I do all kinds of massage. I'm very eclectic. I actually tailor your massage to what's going on. So it's like one massage doesn't fit all, and it drives me crazy when people go experience that because everybody's different. Everybody heals at different rates. Everybody has different issues, and what caused their problems is all different. So I tailor my massage to best benefit you and what you're needing and the goal that you're trying to achieve. So I tell everybody gets a different one because I listen to your body, I listen to your muscles. They talk to me, and like I tell my clients, I'm like, you can't keep your secrets from me because I will find them. So, and in doing that, I'm unlocking so much of your potential and healing power to kick in. And I've educated a lot of my patients and clients with chiropractic that didn't know that chiropractic and massage go so well hand in hand. It's like the perfect marriage. A lot of my clients didn't understand that if you incorporate chiropractic with massage, you actually get more out of the chiropractic as well as the massage because the adjustment will hold longer with massage, and you get a better outcome. So you kind of get more bang for your buck, I guess is a way to say it. And better
results.
Better results, yeah. And it's an amazing complement with each other. It's like the perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Everybody remembers mom's peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
So does that make me peanut butter and you're jelly?
Sure, and then we can this is the bread. We smush people well together.
Oh, that's a great analogy. I love that.
But I love taking care of people. Treatment is where my heart lies. I can do the Swedish, I can do the relaxation. I've had clients just say, I just want to feel better. But treatment's where my heart lies because it is amazing to watch somebody come in from an accident or an injury when they can barely stand straight. And you can tell they're in pain. And when they leave here, they're straighter. And you're like, I had something to do with that. I mean, that is just amazing to me. And to know that I can help somebody on that level, and that's why I've been doing this for so long and why I love doing it so much. And I tell people I can't imagine doing anything else because I've always wanted to be part of the medical field. I just didn't know the direction I was going to go.
Well, we are so grateful that you're here, and thanks for doing this with us. I know it takes some boldness to do this and be part of this, and I hope you are intrigued to want to come and get an incredible massage from Brandi and let her change your life that we know that she will and can do for sure. So thanks again for joining us on this episode, and make sure you tune into all of our video series here, helping to educate you better on how to take advantage of our care here, as well as healthcare overall. So thanks again for joining us. Signing off, Dr. Alan McCord at Kent East Chiropractic.